Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set your stop loss on the Binance application step by step. The first step is to open up your Binance and head over to the features icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, which is highlighted here in red. Once you get to features, make sure you've opened up the features account. Make sure you possess a feature account. And also, before you set your stop loss, that's this icon right here. Once it's activated, the TPSL. Once it's activated, if you click on advanced, you can be able to set your stop loss remotely, and you can set it by percentage if that's what you require. But before you do any of that, you click on these candlesticks right here and make sure you're following and tracking the market movements before you're able to enter the market at any point in time. And once you've set your stop loss, you'd avoid major losses or massive losses. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to set your stop loss on your Binance application, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.